Hey gamers, welcome back to Quick Reviews, your go-to destination for the latest in gaming tech. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated Asus ROG Phone 8 series. Buckle up because these phones are not just for gaming enthusiasts anymore. First up, the ROG Phone 8 series brings a sleek design with a thinner profile, reduced weight, and improved dust and water resistance, making it a winner for everyone. But let's talk gaming power. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, these phones mean business. The conduction cooling system is a game changer, utilizing boron, nitride, and copper to keep things cool even during intense gaming sessions. And if that's not enough, Asus introduces the Aero Active Cooler, claiming to drop the back cover temperature by a whopping 26 degrees Celsius. Now let's talk about the futuristic AI features. The AI Grabber makes searching for gaming walkthroughs a breeze by recognizing and copying in-game text. Plus, Asus has integrated AI into the phone's launcher, gallery, and settings apps for smarter search results. The 6.78-inch OLED display with 165Hz refresh rate, 2500 nits peak brightness, and a 32-megapixel front camera is a visual delight. On the back, a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom ensures your captures are top-notch. So whether you're a gamer or just looking for a high-performance smartphone, the Asus ROG Phone 8 series has got you covered. If you're as excited as we are, hit the subscribe button for more gaming tech updates. Until next time, happy gaming!